got a fucking door on your neck. You're crazy. You're crazy. I like you.
Hey, what's up everybody? Honda Riding here. Welcome back to another video. And we have been pumping the videos out lately, guys. They've been nice, short, sweet videos. And so by the title and thumbnail of this video, you probably already know what it's gonna be about. So I ain't gonna waste your time. Let's get straight into it. So guys, winter is already here, and that's kind of what our new toy is. So I'm not gonna give you guys any more spoilers. I'm just gonna just show you guys, and I hope you enjoy. Okay guys, so here's my new snowmobile. It is a Polaris Indy 500 Classic 1998, and it is sweet, guys. Electric start, reverse, it has the whole package, the extra 12, a nice track on it. I'll show you guys. See? Nice. Studded track too, guys. Like, it is the full package. I got it for an amazing price. It has this windshield, which I like a lot more than the big plastic boxy ones, and it is the updated chassis, so instead of having the boxy front end, it's more of the round front end. But the round front end's better for speed, but I heard the boxy ones are better for the powder. It's pretty good. No rips in the seat, except for on the back there, but that's where they always crack. Gauges and everything work. And let me start it up for you guys, but first we have to take the battery off the charge, so let's do that right now.
You're crazy. I like you. You're crazy.
Okay guys, so we just finished taking the charger off the battery, and let's start her up. There she be. 1998 Polaris Indy 500 Classic. If you enjoyed, make sure to smash that like button. Comment down below if you're excited for the snowmobile videos that are about to be coming. And subscribe to the channel if you're new. Thank you guys for watching. Peace.